An attenuator provides a loss of 20 dB. Find the value of attenuation in Nepers. Okay, now this is also 1 mark problem. A very simple direct formula here. So attenuation A equal to 20 dB. Okay, that one is given data. The value of attenuation in Nepers is given by n equal to anti-log attenuation in dB by 20. Actual formula this is. So we can substitute, already we have given A equal to 20 dB attenuation. That attenuation we can substitute in this formula here. Okay, so here what will happen, n equal to anti-log 20 by 20, that is equal to 10. Okay, this is the attenuation in Nepers. Okay, direct formula n equal to, the value of attenuation in Nepers is given by n equal to anti-log attenuation in dB by 20. So attenuation given A equal to 20 dB. So that 20 dB we can substitute here. So that's why anti-log 20 by 20 equal to 10.